My name is Bob Megdal, and this is the Mega Collection. From my last name is Megdal, so it's Mega Collection. The majority of my bikes are the late 60s and mid 70s and really 74, because 1974 was the first year I really got involved with riding motocross bikes. And now I'm 67 years old, and actually I am living back my youth today. I ride motocross, not with these bikes, with a new bike. These bikes that I have right here, I've never ridden. They're too nice. Some of these bikes are in as-is condition as they came off from the factory. Some were rebuilt, and some are just low hours. And some of these bikes I have because they look cool. It had really nothing to do about why I wanted it, because it just looked beautiful. To me, it was like Mona Lisa, but on two wheels. It took a lot of years to find them because a lot of these bikes are very rare. There was only 10 of those bikes built, and that was to honor Marty Smith. I have a lot of pride in these things, and I took care of them for 35 years. They're going to find these bikes at Mecum. The reason why I'm selling these bikes, it's time. I have Parkinson, and I want to be able to see them go when I still can. And I'd like to make sure that I can have someone else feel like I felt. Because honestly, these bikes was therapy for me. When I had a bad day, I used to go downstairs here and just look at the bikes. Made me smile.